Hello guys, you're welcome back to Nigeria News and Entertainment. Pastor's wife wins Nigerian man's indecent proposal of spending 1 week with him in Italy. Relationship expert Amara Nwosu's ex-husband, Francis Van Laere, once posted an indecent proposal of spending a whole week with an interested married woman who has been married no less than 10 years in Italy, with so many side attractions accompanied with the trip. And upon return of the woman to her home, she would be given $2,000 to compensate the husband. The challenge has been on for a while, and it seems there is a daring winner, a pastor's wife. Social media has been agog since the cleric's wife indicated her interest and citing some excuses for her decisions. As it is now, the entry is closed, and Francis Van Laere already has his escort to Italy. Guys, let me know what you think about this married woman leaving her husband to travel out with another man in Italy. Let's discuss, guys, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you.